Well, this video is about a bottle vending machine. Sometimes the bottles get stuck in the spirals. So we would like to show you that the very important thing is to, arrange the bottles in the correct position, or actually set the bottles in the correct position, like this. And now you can get the money in. Okay, 6.40. Fine. Okay. Next. 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 Okay, here you choose the position. Okay, please choose it. You see that, for example, with a single bottom, that there is a single bottle, and even it works. Please show me, I don't know, 14. That was 15. Again 16. 16.
Já vím, musím počkat.
Okay, choose the 17.
To nebude. To nejde. Pak máme 21.
21. 22. Teda ještě nejde, 25?
Nevím, zkusím to.
23.
No, jsem pustil do toho.
Jo, zkus 23.
Zkusím.
To je zrovna blbě ta flaška, vidíš tam? You see that in the 23 now the bottle is not in the best position. You see that that's the problem.
Jak je blbě, tak to
Because the bottle was not correctly set in the spiral. Please go to 24. Go to 25, which is disabled. No, it is not. Okay, and go to 26. Okay.